Hi, I'm Tim. This is the first time I'm reviewing anything on YouTube, so you're gonna have to forgive the shoddy camera work and all the noise. But to get down to brass tacks, this is my own personal 357 Magnum from Creek Firearms, serial number 99. I had the raw dog inscribed on the frame just for shits and giggles. The company logo is located right here. It's engraved up here on both sides. 357 Magnum, Creek Firearms Incorporated, Whitehall, Michigan. This is a 7-shot 357 Magnum made of 17.4 pH stainless steel. Superior alloy in my opinion. That's the first thing that they sat down and decided was, what are we going to make it out of? And they said, we're going to go with what's best. Now, this is the latch gate. Safety check, no rounds in it. Check out that hammer. That is one meaty hammer. It has the ejector rod here, and the pin lock goes in, cylinder pin comes out. You can get a smooth cylinder or a fluted one. Like I said, the camera work is pretty shoddy because it's the first one I've done. It has on here the Michigan logo and a little revolver symbol there where Whitehall, Michigan is. Made in the USA. 100% made in our shop. Comes in as a block of stainless steel and comes out a beautiful work of art like this. The sights are fiber optic sights, and it's got a ported barrel. It's about 3.7 pounds empty. You can get different colored grips: black, rosewood, funky green, and this is the walnut. Okay, I've done 100 takes on this, so I'm just going to go through it this time, whether I stumble or not. And that's the only disclaimer you're getting. Alright, I did this finish because I know the guy that builds them. That would be me. This is not the standard finish. The rest of it is standard though. It will shoot pretty good because it's got the variable rifling, the variable twist rifling. I'm just going to power through this. I'm going to stumble and stutter. That's your second disclaimer. You're not getting any more, I promise. Yeah. It's got variable twist rifling, which means it starts out slow, and by the time it gets to the end, it's coming out at full speed as far as spin. Okay, we're going to load this puppy up, and I'm going to give it a test run. We got some Federal. Then we got some LAX ammunition. And then we got some rather disappointing American Eagle 38 specials. Okay, she's hot. Put our ear protection on. Move this to my little shooting range down there. So I don't have any of that fancy software they use. And I'm not claiming to be a great shot. This is 50 pounds. Oh, that was my good plate. Shit. Didn't have any holes. Does now. Yep, there's Federal. All right. Yep, great camera work. Nothing but the best. Yeah, you gotta have the hole in front of the ejector rod. Okay. That about does it. I can tell you a lot more about it. I'm not all that great at this. It's an 8-inch barrel. It's ported to keep the end of it down after you're shooting. And yeah, it shoots pretty good. And it's kind of good looking. So I guess that's all you can really say about a gun. It shoots every single time and hits the target. On top of that, it's freaking awesome. And I'm glad I got it. Alright, that's it. I'll probably do more reviews on other stuff. It'll probably suck just as bad. But yeah, there you go.